Your Excellency the Deputy President, you and the President, the buck stops in your office, the office of the President. Sababu wewe na Rais Uhuru Kenyatta ni nyinyi tulipigia kura. Listen to all shades of opinion. Listen to the church, listen to our pastoralists, listen to us in Mount Kenya, that when we say we want one man, one vote, one shilling, we did not ask that we be given 70 seats ya kuongezwa bunge of nominated members of parliament. We wanted 70 seats or even more, that on the basis of our numbers tuongezewe constituencies ili constituency ikuje na pesa ya CDF. Lakini msituambie that BBI inatupea 70 nominated members of parliament wanominatiwe Nairobi pale Pangani na Tuju na Murathe. Build real bridges. Stop building walls. If BBI is about building bridges, build real bridges. Build bridges and build consensus with the church and with everybody in this country.